Here's how to fix Discord lag when playing games. First, click User Settings in the bottom left corner. From the menu on the left, scroll down to Voice and Video and select it. Then, select Advanced from Sub Options. Here, expand this setting and find debug logging and make sure it's disabled. Click OK to apply the change. Discord will restart after you do this. Once it opens again, return to User Settings. From the left-hand menu, select Accessibility. Scroll down until you find the Reduced Motion section. Disable the option that synchronizes reduced motion with your computer. Then, make sure Enable Reduced Motion is also turned off. Next, scroll down through the left-hand menu and select Game Overlay. If Enable Overlay is currently switched on, turn it off. You should also disable Legacy Overlay if that option is available. Once you've changed these settings, test Discord while playing a game to see if the lag has improved. If Discord is still slow, open User Settings again. Go to Search Bar and search for Hardware, then click on System and find Hardware Acceleration and turn this feature off. However, if hardware acceleration is already disabled, try enabling it instead. After changing the setting, select Change and Restart to apply the new configuration. Once Discord restarts, check whether the application is running more smoothly and whether the lagging problem has been resolved. And that's it. That's all for this video. Thanks.